up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm going to review EIP ICO, the future of esports marketing. It's called Esport Interactive Platform, and the pre-sale is on, and you're going to get 20% if you join the pre-sale. Now let's go down the website one after another. It centers around the esports, as I've said. Let's go and see. Total cap is going to be 16 million US dollars. These are they going to distribute the pre-sale and the crash sale stage 1. So it starts from 30th of June. This August 30. Now let's see. Minimum transaction amount, you can see. Yeah. The distribution, how they're going to distribute it. Everything is stated here. And a lot of videos here, one after another, and you can watch that on your free time. This is the roadmap, and this is team. I don't know, this should be Sige Nevud, no she. That should be a Russian name. I mean, sometimes it's not easy to pronounce for English speakers. Yuri Metsalov, Andrew Rose, Atemerenborg. See them one after another. Olga Kovanova, one after another. Andrew Spencer, this guy, let me show you this guy in the video. Yeah.
I was very small kid. Not school.
Now, so I'm showing you this to let you know that this is real. This is not a scam ICO. I mean, if member of the team member could show his face, that shows how authentic it's all about. Great designer Anna Shamanova, and one after another. They are there. You can see that this is a whole lot of community. The team member is huge. I mean, and I like this section too. Frequently asked question: what are the properties of the EMI token? What is the token's sale ad cap? And now, how many EMI is to be traded in the open market and all the rest? So, and you can see the difference here, how everything works, the questions you may have. Now, how can you buy it? What is the available method? What is the GitHub link? Everything is here. How much token will be there in total? Let's check it out. It says 880 million. Will any token be frozen? All team token will be frozen for 1 year. I mean, that's nice. One of the distribution of token enduring bounty campaign take place and all the rest. Now, I'm really worried. I'm really serious about this. The exchange. Now, how would okay? Let me see. Yes, when will your token be placed on the crypto market? We want to know that. That is very important for us. We plan to list the EMI token of major crypto exchanges during 1 month after the completion of the ICO. This is what I want to see. 1 month. I love that. I really hope they give to their promise. They keep to their promise. And if we convert these ICOs and we're able to get our money in 1 month, or the cryptocurrency, it's the exchange. Then you have to decide whether you are keeping some of them, you are selling some of them, you are keeping them for the future. So that is going to be nice if they can keep, if they can keep to their promise. Now let's go to the white paper. The white paper is put together for the 6 page, and I like the white paper, and I can tell the white paper is unique. It's not copy and paste. So I encourage you in your free time, make sure you read the white paper of an ICO. It's really very important. It lets you know a lot about the people behind it. I mean, it tells you a lot about the project, the roadmap, and everything you need to know about it. Now, this is ICO bench. You can see One 10 cents for the price. 10 cents. Ethereum Pro platform. Source cap is $2 million. Hard cap is 60 million. If you're from China, US, and Singapore, I'm sorry you can't get involved with this. I see you. Let's share the Telegram out. 12,435 members on the Telegram. On Twitter, 3,797 on Twitter. Alexa ranking, more visitors from India, uh, Indonesia, and Russia. Yeah? Most of the team members are from Russia anyway, so should and this is the information you need for the who is about the website. Now I'm putting everything together. I mean, putting all this piece together. I believe this ICO is okay for me. Having checked on all the information, the team members are real. This is not a scam ICO. So I'm going to leave the link down below for you, and you can make your own decision to go for the ICO. But please don't forget, everything I have said in this review video is basically my personal opinion, strictly my personal opinion. Uh, this is not a financial advice, so make your own decision. And before you go, please hit the like button. And until next time, I'll keep bringing more videos for you. Thank you very much, and I love you guys. Until next time, bye bye.